baby, it won't get any better if you stay home. I'd rather go out and see how the sun goes down to bed, and then lie awake and whisper what a day it's been. And I won't come home tonight, but you can join me if you want to. Then we'll see the morning light, knowing that we'll never forget. So people wonder where I'm heading. Honestly, I wouldn't know. Just walking down the streets here, all the times I know. Where do we go from here? The moon shines bright at night. Just lie down and look back. What a beautiful time this is. What a beautiful night. The sun